Broken hearts, they're all As she stood in the doorway, I heard the mission bell. And I was thinking to myself, this could be heaven and this could be hell. Then she lit up a candle and she showed